What's going on, everybody? This is Mattdoesfitness, and why did the baker's hand smell? He needed a poo. Hello and welcome to another full day of eating, and if you've been watching my vlogs this week, you'll be fully aware of the fact I'm in Portugal, baby. Here we go. Frickin' have a look at this. How insanely cool. So we're in Lisbon. We've got an awesome apartment. There is an annoying area there. We've got an awesome apartment. It's really, really nice, and it's got a quality view. So the airport we flew into is actually right over there. So occasionally you see planes exactly like that. And I think the sea, I don't know, where's the sea? Which way's the sea? The sea is like over there. It's very close. We're like, Lisbon is like a coastal city, so probably gonna go and visit the sea at some point soon. Right, breakfast wise, we've been hanging out here. We've got some pretty sweet bananas. What are these? I'm looking at actually. That is SCB, where is it? SCB Premium. I've never come across that brand. It's a new banana brand. Cross it off the list. I've got a coffee, and then I'm also gonna have, for the first time ever, some My Protein porridge oats, like vanilla porridge. I've never tried their porridge. No idea whether it would be good or not, so I'll let you know very shortly. And here they are. So they look a bit like, I don't know, not formed, but I've just tried a bit, and I can tell you now, spoiler alert, they're actually ridiculously good. It's like vanilla flavour. So I find with porridge, I know you can put stuff in it like golden syrup, bananas, whatever, and it makes it pretty good, but that is literally just 1 50-gram sachet of milk, and it tastes like super good. Like, it's got all the really sweet vanilla stuff in it. It's actually like, yeah, really, really sweet. Now, this is pre-cut banana. I'm gonna frickin' stick that bad boy in there. So yeah, like I said, it's 50 grams of porridge with, like, I don't know, maybe like 150 ml of milk, and then a banana. That's like most of a banana. Got my coffee there. I've had my way. I had chocolate mint this morning. I'm all over, right now I'm literally all over chocolate mint. I'm going to do some more samples at some point, but at the moment chocolate mint is just incredible. I mean, I don't think I'll get sick of it, but I can't make any promises. Also, if you watch my expo footage, you'll know how freaking cool these little bad boys are. So this is called a Pill Master, which I think is also the name of a famous drug dealer. And then I've got my glucosamine, cod liver oil, multivitamin. I did have my badger repellent and my pseudo-crim in like a tablet form, but I've already taken one of those because it's so addictive. So I'm gonna have all of this. The coffee is really good and it makes it way better. Sitting out with this freaking cool view. Gonna have all this, and we might head out in a bit and get like a big breakfast, although I've actually eaten quite a lot now. And then I'm gonna try and train later on today. So while we're here, I was going to train every day, but I've kind of mixed up a bit. I'm going to have a couple of rest days, and today I'm going to combine deadlifts and bench press. So find a gym, and then we'll see how that goes. I'm still loving life after all the PRs I got last week, but I'm also like a little, my nerve system's quite fatigued. I feel a bit kind of dull and slow, so could be a crap session, but let's face it, who cares? We found the sea, and I'm going to get run over. Ah! Look at the freaking size of this boat. Jesus Christ. That is ridiculous. That must get like, I don't know, thousands of people on it. And also, rather hilariously, it's called Costa Fortuna. Pretty sure it did cost a freaking fortuna. Right, our discoveries have taken us to this pretty freaking cool kind of park slash cafe. Look how cool this is. Ooh, good morning. There's like awesome flower. I'm not a big flower man, but it's pretty freaking cool. So we're just hanging out here. There's the miscellaneous castle building thing. What? There's a what? Oh yeah. Oh, spy on these little sons of bitches. Hello. What I was fine with this, right? So look, that dude is barely above that railing. I'm assuming he's a normal sized man. To me, I would feel like I'd be like, yeah, that big up there. The perception is really, really hard to comprehend. Anyway, right, food wise, we've got some kind of second breakfast. Got a cappuccino here, and I've got some lemon cake. cake. Lemon cake. Sarah's has got exactly the same. We have actually consistently been eating the same things on this holiday, maybe because we're lovers. So, I'm going to eat this. I've been assured by the waitress that it's really, really good. If it's not, I'm going to probably spit it out and just smush it in her face as a show of dominance. So I will let you know if it's good. And then I think I'm going to train, like after this, I'll probably train, then get some lunch rather than the other way around, because then I'll be like throwing up in the gym. We're walking to the gym, going up the stairs backwards. There's a strong chance I'm gonna fall over here. Oh my god, this is paradise. Right, we're still trying to find the gym, but I've just quickly stumbled across something that I find incredibly frustrating. Just look at this, Willie, right? Someone has left literally completely untouched cakes. Like, I am very, very tempted just to kind of grab those and eat them. Only reason I won't is because A, Sarah's probably quite embarrassed, and B, the previous owner may have licked them in some way. We found the gym! So yeah, good news and bad news. Good news is, we found the gym. Bad news is, it freaking sucks. Here's a little tour. Perfect powerlifting environment. I'm tempted, there's Sarah. I'm tempted to just move to Lisbon so I can train here 24/7, because as you can see, very, very conducive to strength gains. Well, that was interesting. It wasn't too bad, to be fair, just a lot of kind of improvisation had to be done. We are now walking back kind of aimlessly, just trying to find some food. It's pretty late for lunch. I guess it's kind of like, I don't know what time is it, like 2, 3? I don't know, like 2 or 3 I guess, so definitely lunchtime. There's this little dude over here, just playing his guitar. We're going to find some food, hopefully something meat-based. We shall see soon. Exciting / crazy news. I've just set up the first Matty's Big One stall, and seems to have gone down somewhat of a treat. Might have to up my prices because they are in pretty high demand. Hello friends, right, we found a place called 28 and it's friggin' good. I would suggest that the name is accurate if it was a ranking scale of brilliance and it was graded out of 28, because it's absolutely exceptional. It's like the inside of a bus. I was doing some like pole dancing on this tram. Inside of a tram. I was doing some pole dancing on this earlier, got stopped and temporarily removed, but I kind of sweet talk the waitress to let back in. Right, anyway, I've got a cheeseburger and fries because I'm freaking hungry. It's now almost 3 o'clock, we definitely need to eat. I've got an olive on there. I really, really love olives. It's so nice. Just like olives so much. Like honestly, I want to just eat them all the time. Looks all friggin' cheesy and like burgery. Gonna put some ketchup in there, obviously, got some fries. Sarah's got this freaking cool, I'm quite jealous to be fair. Look how good that sandwich looks. Get a little friggin' zoom in there, look at that. Look at all the cheese coming out the outside as well. How freaking good does that look? Hashtag food porn. So I'm probably gonna just lick this load all around the outside, and then I'll start eating the big dog. Back at the apartment, I've showered and I'm generally feeling pretty good. On the way back from the food, which was exceptionally good by the way, like so good, the best meal we've had so far in Lisbon, I would say, and I'm very, very full up BTW. On the way back, I was sweating pretty profusely because there's quite a lot of steps and it's very hot outside, and the after kind of effects of the gym workout kicking in. Also, bizarrely enough, I'm not hungry, but like I feel like I can eat something. You know, like, I think the post-training adrenaline kind of masked some of the hunger, so I ate all my food and I felt really, really full up, but then that's kind of subsided pretty quickly. So, on that front, I am currently eating / consuming a coffee, a banana, which again is probably slightly on the green. That's close to being perfect, I'd say. Like, if it was a little bit less green, that'd be pretty much bang on. I'm sure that inside it's going to be exceptional, but yeah, first impressions are it does look a little bit green. And I'm also going to have a variety of nuts. There are walnuts up there, almonds there, and Brazil nuts there, which apparently too many Brazil nuts can poison you, which I did not know. I've only recently discovered that fact after eating quite a lot of Brazil nuts the other day, so good. Thankfully I wasn't killed. If you were describing your reaction in the present tense to being mugged, you might say something along the lines of, I scream. Be correct. We've got into the habit of eating our dinner pretty late while we've been over here, like, I think we ate at like 10 last night, so to tide us over until that point, we got some ice cream, baby. I got some strawberry sorbet, which is really, really good. I've been eating it like this, in a rotating fashion, because I find that offers the best taste to efficiency ratio. Also, when I ordered it, they offered me the choice of a cone or a cup. Now, as far as I'm aware, the cups are not edible, so it seems a bit of a bizarre choice. If cups are ever, created to the point where you can eat them, I'll change my mind, but at the moment, it's always going to be a cone. There's quite a lot of meat there.
Chicken or mine?
We got tapas, baby. Cool, you're red-handed. Get your dirty, pervy eyes off my sausage. Feisty. Right, so as you probably saw, we just got some tapas, baby. It was good. Tapas is not really my thing in that it's very small and loads of different things, so it's hard to gauge how much you've eaten. I like just a big meal where you can just eat it and it's done, but actually it was pretty good. It was basically ham, cheese and loads of bread, so I ended up eating a lot. Like, again, it's hard to gauge how much, but I'm pretty sure I ate a lot. I was eating for a good hour, so must have been quite a lot calorie-wise, I reckon. We're now going to go back. We've got a freaking awesome like vanilla chocolate type cake thing at our house, so we're going to go back, eat some of that. That dude behind me just said something about a vlog. I'm going to go back, eat that, and then I'll probably have a coffee and some protein. Okay, right, so it's caught me a slightly intimate moment there. A breach of my privacy, actually, if I'm honest. Not really comfortable with this. We literally just got back. I'm wasting no time at all. I'm putting on my cape gown and eating some of this bad boy. Have a freaking look at that. Admittedly, it doesn't look incredible. Like, it does look a bit kind of, well, it does look quite good, I guess. It had some awesome music on it. It's like a vanilla chocolate kind of creamy custardy like sponge thing. It's very, very good. And the bottom line is, this bad boy needs to be gone by tomorrow, so I'm pretty sure I can find a solution to that problem. And it is pretty much bedtime. If I had more dexterous fingers, I would make a B with my hand, but I can't do that. I would also show you the cake, but I just ate it all, so I can't do that also. Right, I'm about to have my protein. That is 30 grams of mint chocolate which, as you probably know by now, is freaking good. If you've not tried it yet, or you're undecided, or you want to get some protein, you're kind of and ahhing, get the mint chocolate. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. And if you do, you are a weirdo. And obviously use my protein link in the description below. Right, I'm also going to have 5 grams of creatine in there, which is there. I'm going to mix that up. I find that when you buy protein, when you first get it, it mixes really well, and then as you get lower and lower, especially with a whoa, that whole fridge just moved, especially with a 5 kilo bag, as you get lower and lower down, like it mixes, I end up shaking it for like 20 minutes like a weirdo, so that's pretty new and it shakes pretty well. But like I said, give that another few weeks, and when I'm in that kind of bottom section of the bag, it's gonna be a bastard. Anyway, I'll be having that. I'm gonna drink some water. I'm still, like, literally, I'm still sweating now. I have been sweating, like, since I walked out of the gym. In fact, like, all day really, but particularly since the gym. From that point on, I've just been sweating all day. Like, I don't even feel that hot now, but I'm just constantly sweating. So I've probably lost about 5 kilos of sweat. So I'm gonna be drinking a lot. But then you have the flip side, which is that obviously then you're gonna need to get up to go for a wee in the night, which is irritating. So I might just sleep in the bath naked, which would mean obviously then I wouldn't need to get up to go for a wee, but I would obviously be sleeping in my urine. So swings and roundabouts. Anyway, that, my friends, concludes the video. So I genuinely hope you've enjoyed every single second. Please like, comment, share, subscribe as always, and I will see you tomorrow.